How do you change the leverage of your accounts? How do you change the leverage of your Exness account? This is how you can do it. To change the leverage of your Exness account, come here to your account side and tap on the more button over here. Over here, tap on adjust leverage. Once you tap on it, by default, this is the leverage you have, 1:200. Now, just tap on it. You'll see up to unlimited leverage. So I advise you go with 1:1000. That is the ideal one that you can use. All right. So after that, just tap on save and you are good to go. The next thing that you want to learn is how to create a demo account. So to create a demo account, you can just tap on open account over here. Once you tap on it, the interface will load. As the interface load, you will see we have standard cents and the rest. But then for simplicity's sake and the convenient for your trading experiences, just select the standard over here. With this one selected, the standard selected, just tap on continue over here. Now, once you reach this level, we have demo and the real account over here. Demo and real accounts. All right. So what you want to do is, since you are learning how to create a demo account, you just tap on a demo over here. Over here, the currency is in US dollar. All right. If you want to change the currency into any other currency too, I'll show you that in another video. Now, if you want to start with $500, you can start with that. If you want to start with $300, you can start with that. Now, if you want to give the account a nickname, say Kofi, you can give it. And the leverage over here is 1:2000. Then you can go ahead and create your password. So once you are through with that, the next thing that you have to do is just hit the create account button over here. And voila, that is it. That is all that you need. So right now you have your demo account with the name Kofi.